Alright everybody, making a OEM 4-door TL 99 through 03 side skirts fit on a 2-door CL. Quick pointers. Number one, you got to remove your CL side skirts, the stock ones from your 2-door. Remove them. You're actually going to end up fitting your the ones you remove inside of the 4-door ones from the TL. So step number one, remove your side skirts from the CL. Step number two, by the way, this is a driver's side here, that's the front, that's the back. Step number two, start cutting all these tabs inside the side skirts on the lip kit from the TL. All of these need to be removed, obviously, in order to fit one over the other. Tip, so again, this is the driver's side. Start from the front. This is the front of the car. Cut them completely here. Go about halfway. About halfway, you can start leaving partial parts of them in there. Why? Because they will hold up against it. So start by removing them completely on the first three, then start leaving maybe a 1/4 inch, and so on. A little more. Start running towards the back. You can actually leave a decent portion. Okay, that's step number one. Once you do that, you can actually drop your CL side skirt inside of the TL lip kit side skirt. Once you drop that in, you're gonna start putting screws in it to bind them together, right? My first screw that I put in was this corner right here, right? I got it as far as I could in there, nice and tight. Put a screw, boom. After that, up to you where you want to work them. Actually, sorry, I'll go back a second. So after you do that one screw, now that corner is lined up. This corner you can line up with your hand. Draw. You're gonna have to shave off to make it fit on the 2-door. The back side of it, you're gonna have to shave off to the shape of the one you're putting inside of it. So again, that's the front, this is the back. So once you get that corner in lined up right, the next thing you should do is press this down, making sure it's lined up. Draw with a marker on that inside of it the shape of what you need. Next, you're gonna cut that off, right? So you're gonna shave that off. Next, you're gonna start using screws to make it stay together. So whatever order you go, I don't remember what order I went, but like I said, I started off with this corner one. This is one it was already there, you're gonna end up using on your car anyway. After that, let's see here. I stayed away from putting any screws. This will be your door sill here. I put one right here, right where your door ends and it dips out. I did put one there, and then I put one every spacing here in between these tabs. I got one here, got one here, got one here. You probably want to use the ones that are flat screws, right? You're trying to buy a lot of space. Use those whatever these guys are called, so they hold good. So I got one here, 3 more here, got one here. Actually, I'll come back to that. Then start working this side. Obviously, wherever you get your lip kit, you might be missing some brackets. This one had the rear one, has this one. This one actually on my fab here is gonna line up with the tab, so I didn't have to do anything here. But here I did put, again, clips, screws with clips. That way it holds. Same here, I used the nut here to space it out. This one, it was missing this bracket, or I forget, I think I ended up ripping it out. It was halfway in. Used the holes from the bracket to put a legit zip tie in it to hold it. What are the screws? Let's see. Okay, before you do those screws, after you cut this off, or even after, doesn't matter. The TL is going to be longer, probably, I don't know, 1.5 inches or something. So you're also going to mark it. You're going to mark it here. You're going to cut it. Now, I ended up using that cap. After I cut that cap, I went ahead and used this cap. I stuck it back in here to cover it. Used this screw here and used that screw there to get it in nicely. So up to you. You can use the cap or you don't have to, but I did. So that's pretty much it. I mean, this thing is basically a one piece. You cannot move it between the two side skirts. You cannot move one from the other. They're locked in that good. You want to get more creative with your own screws and methods, go for it. But you know, nobody told me how to go about it, so hopefully this helps you out. Start by cutting off all these tabs. Leave a little bit at the bottom of them, about 1/4 way in, going back. Leave them bigger. They'll just support your two-door side skirt in there better. And then just start working our way around it with screws, however you know, feels good to you. Make sure, you know, as you're doing this here, try to fit it onto your car. Make sure, you know, it's going in there. So shave, you know, I try to shave in as much as I could. I was lazy, so we'll see. Might have a surprise that when I put the clips in and I push it in, and it might not grab, or it might be like that close to it. We'll see. But it felt pretty good to me. So that's how you get the 4-door side skirts, OEM lip kit, Acura. That's kind of how you fab it out for a CL. Got the other one there already done as well. Good luck.